Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the dock and printer so installation is fast and reliable. Power the dock but do not connect the printer yet. This lets the dock initialize. Once the dock shows its ready LED, align the printer's docking rails with the guide rails. This prevents misfeeds and damage. Make sure you have the correct cable type and that firmware was updated. That avoids driver conflicts later. Now position the paper and have tools nearby, because the next step is the mechanical fit and connector seating. Once done with alignment, slide the printer onto the dock with steady pressure so the connector engages cleanly. You should feel a click when seated. After seating, plug data and power if the dock uses separate leads, and then verify the link LED. Green means good, amber means negotiation. If the dock has a physical lock or screw, secure it now to prevent wobble. Make sure media feeds freely by advancing a test page. This confirms both electrical and mechanical connections are correct. You finish by running a calibration or test print to confirm alignment, margin, and cutter behavior. This helps prevent wasted labels or receipts. Once the test is good, install drivers or complete wireless pairing through the printer app and confirm firmware versions match recommended builds. If something fails, first reseat the connector and reboot both devices. Make sure cables are not damaged and the dock's firmware matches the printer. If problems persist, swap the cable or try a different USB port to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.